Hello everyone, I'm Vivian from AIFA Technology. It's a pleasure to be here introducing our latest smart home product i-Ctrl series with you. Let's start with our company introduction. AIFA Technology is founded in Taiwan and specialized in universal remote control for more than 28 years. We have customers all around the world in more than 30 countries, including Japan, Europe, USA, and Asia area. We've been collecting codes for 28 years. Now we have comprehensive codes as our database for each popular brand and model in each country. And we do a lot of ODM for customers worldwide. AIFA is founded in Taiwan, Kaohsiung, and we have a SMT service factory also in Kaohsiung and office in China. Here is our company structure. We do marketing segmentation based on different IC library for different countries along with different outlook for products. And we do ODM for backlight air conditioning remote control, fan, control panel, amplifier, and LED tube. And these are all our customers worldwide. Here are part of our remote control products and our product catalog that we can do for our customers. On the left-hand side is our patented product, battery tester. It can measure the power of battery for different size and model. And on the upper right side is a small gadget that can put in toilet, in department store or train station. When the customer presses the button, it can make the melody to cover the sounds when the customer is using toilets. On the lower right side is the rain sensor. You put one part of the device outside, and when it senses the rain drops, the devices will receive a signal. The devices in the house will receive a signal and inform you should check out your clothes outside since it might be starting to rain. As we mentioned earlier, we also have a SMT factory, and we used to make backlight bar for a renowned notebook company. They asked for high precision and standards. At that time, not many companies can meet their standards. Therefore, they choose us as their supplier, and we provide services for them for 5 to 6 years. And now for our smart home product, we also use our SMT services to do the manufacturing, and our smart home products are all made in Taiwan. During 2016, we think it is a good idea to make contacts with the end user through crowdfunding. Therefore, we started our crowdfunding journey. We started with i-Ctrl on 2016 and i-Ctrl round in Japan market on 2018. And we redesigned our smart home product to a more simplicity style both on the outlook and the app. We developed Circle and launched on Taiwan and Japan on 2019 and 2020. And last year, we also launched an upgraded product i-Ctrl Pro with built-in temperature and humidity sensor and more AI functions that works with the sensor, and we got quite good feedbacks from the customer. We also use the customer's feedback to keep improving our products and customer experience. Moving on to our product introduction. Everybody has a smartphone right now. It is estimated that there are 5 billion smartphones that are being used around the world right now. It's common that there are lots of remote control in every household, and it is estimated that there are at least 50 billion home devices that are controlled via infrared. What do you think if you can control all your home devices with one smartphone on your hand? Wouldn't that be great? That's the smart life that i-Ctrl is going to provide. And here's how it works. i-Ctrl connects to the internet with your phone, with your home Wi-Fi. And then you can use i-Ctrl app on your smartphone to control infrared home appliances at your home from anytime, anywhere. As you can see in the picture, i-Ctrl is a smart home product that enables you to control your home devices, such as TV, set-top box, DVD player, air conditioning, aux, via your mobile phone. Now we are going to introduce you the application user interface. From the left-hand side, it goes with the set-top box, television, DVD, lighting, air conditioning, and learning function. What we would want to emphasize more is our air conditioner interface. We not only can control almost all brands and models with complete function, but also provide a simple way to set up. Just a click of the power button of your remote control, i-Ctrl are able to identify the signal and find the most matching codes for all the functions to the app, which is really quick and smart way to set up. Last but not least, i-Ctrl are also equipped with learning function for fans, ceiling light, etc. All appliances which controlled by infrared controller can be learned in i-Ctrl. And does each home appliances need one i-Ctrl? The answer is no. i-Ctrl has 180 vertical and 360-degree horizontal IR signal emission. i-Ctrl can control every infrared devices in the same room, no matter where it is located. What's more convenient, we have scheduling function. You can set up to turn off every appliances when you are going to work at 8 o'clock automatically, and turn on the air conditioner and TV channel before you get back home. Last but not least, macro function is one button can control multiple devices to customize your own experience. It's comfy, convenient, and smart. Moving on to the technology part. Inside this product, we have 5 core technologies, and each technology is highly technical. It may come from 5 different companies that are specialized in each field, but AIFA we all do it by ourselves. First, application. Our engineers and programmers develop iOS and Android app and keep them updated in time. Second, IR database, which we have been in this field for 28 years, and our credibility has been proven by customers of more than 30 countries. AIFA is the leader in IR spectral library with one of the world's largest and high-quality IR database. And we research and develop our own Wi-Fi module with high stability and got all the certifications, including FCC for USA, TELEC for Japan, CE for Europe, and on your right-hand side is the picture of our Wi-Fi module. And we research and develop our own Wi-Fi firmware. With high quality and stability. AIFA had built our cloud software to do the security and also scheduling function. i-Ctrl can be used by family members via different smartphones or tablets to control your home appliances. And it is an honor that i-Ctrl has awarded by 2018 Taiwan Excellence, 2019 Computex Best Choice Award, and 2020 German Design Award. Here are the circles user interface for multiple home appliances. And here are the new user interface for i-Ctrl Pro. Moving on to the voice control. The future will be voice control. AIFA has developed voice control for Google Home, Amazon Alexa, Siri shortcuts that also works for Apple HomePod successfully. We have acquired many patents during this year and also has been awarded by many awards during this year, as we mentioned earlier. So that will be our introduction for today. Thank you for listening. We believe with the passion on high-quality technology and the trust from our worldwide customers, we look forward to establish a win-win business collaboration with you. If you would like to know more about us, please do not hesitate to let us know. Thank you.